Welcome students. I am Devarani, your EVS teacher. Today topic sources of water. First, we study about the keywords. Sources, rain, pond, well, river and lake. We fill the water bottle or drink water in school or home from the tap. Tap water comes from water tanks. The water in water tanks comes from different sources. What are the sources of water? Well, stream, lake, river and pond. But the water in lakes, rivers, wells and ponds come from the rain. So, rain is the main source of water. Rainwater fills the water sources. This water purified at factories and sent to home. All living beings need water to live. So, rain is very important. If there is no rain for many days, there will be a water shortage. We will die. And also, animals and plants also will die. Okay, rain is very important. But what can happen if there is a lot of rain in our area? If there is a lot of rainfall in one place, water gets collected on roads. It can cause damage to buildings, plants and animals. We cannot go any places easily. Now we know about clean and safe water. If you are thirsty, which glass will you drink water? We will drink water from the glass with clean water because unclean water will make us sick. The water in our taps may not be clean, so we should clean it before drinking. Now we learn about the steps to clean water at home. We can clean tap water at home by first collecting the tap water, then passing it through a cloth to remove dirty. Then we boil it to kill germs. Then last step, we should cover the boiled water and let it cool. This 4 steps makes water clean and safe for drinking. Okay. Now, how can we store clean water at home for our use? First one, we can store water in clean bottles and pots with lids. You see this picture, how the bottle clean. We can also store it in clean buckets and vessels with lids. Third one, we should not put our hand in clean water while taking it out to drink because germs are in our hands. Thank you.